Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today we are going to see part 2 of slope and distance. So in our last video we saw the equation of slope and we left it out at that, which is y over run, also known as delta y over delta x. Today we're going to see this and the distance formula. Woo! This is the slope equation. See perfectly delta y over delta x. Now if we plug in the actual values and equations of delta y and delta x, we get this equation for slope. And this is also how it's written in some forms. By the way, don't confuse this with like x being multiplied by 1 or 2. The subsequent numbers are always written downwards so that it is not confused from the y2, also known as 2y. No, the subsequent is always written a little bit over here. So now, before we calculate the slope, let's look at the distance formula. The distance between 2 points. This formula is actually a bit familiar. This is how it goes. Distance equals to delta x squared plus delta y squared. Well, have you seen this kind of an equation before? Well, it's something that I've seen before. You stole my theorem. Oh, hi, Pythagoras. What are you doing here? Okay, I didn't steal your theorem. I'm just borrowing it so that I can do some calculations regarding slope and distance. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you credit for it. Oh, well, as long as you give me credit, then I guess you can use it. That's right. This actually originated from the Pythagorean theorem. Let me explain. Remember how a squared plus b squared equals to c squared is the Pythagorean theorem? Let's plug in a as delta x, b as delta y, and c as just d. Well, now let's look at how we can find the distance. We have to take the square roots from both sides. Now it goes like this. See, doing a bit of algebra, and we found the distance formula, which is what it's called in algebra. In geometry, it's called the Pythagorean theorem. We just evaluated it, which can be also sometimes written as here y2 minus y1 and those stuff, but those are really hard. Now, let's plug in values. Let's say x, this is what we decided the point would be. So x1 is negative 2 and x2, actually, you know what? We have to find the deltas first. So four minus negative 2 equals to 6, and 4 minus negative 5 equals to 9. So this is 9/6, also known as 1.5. So this is the slope. Now let's look at the distance between 2 points. Since we found these, we just, 4 squared plus 9 squared. Now the d will be the same thing as 16 plus, what was 9 squared again, you ask? Well, obviously, it's 81. Sometimes you just have to do some math on your head. Then you add these up and you get 97. Since 97 is not a perfect square, you can say the distance is 97. So, as you can see, that's all there was to this slope and distance stuff. As you can see, I covered a lot of things here. Wait for tomorrow and we're gonna see an exciting thing. Until that, you can subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. You can like this video and you can also comment down below what you thought of the video or if I missed anything that you would like to know about. So that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you